Hello, welcome to this guided visualization, pre-travel to ease your mind. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Allow your hands to rest gently on your lap or at your sides, palms open to receive calm. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Now take a deep, full breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale through your mouth, letting the day melt away. Again, inhale deeply, hold, and exhale completely, releasing any lingering tension in your body. One last time, inhale peace and calm, hold, and as you exhale, let go of all stress, anxiety, and pressure surrounding your travel. Feel your body begin to soften and unwind. Your shoulders release down. Your jaw unclenches. Your stomach relaxes. Your breath finds a gentle, steady rhythm. With every exhale, you're entering a calmer, more grounded state. The perfect space to prepare your inner world for peaceful, confident travel. Bring awareness to the support beneath you. Feel how safe you are in this moment. Let that sense of security deepen with each breath. Now, begin to visualize the morning of your journey. You awaken with a sense of ease. Soft sunlight pours into your room, casting a warm, golden glow. You stretch gently and feel completely at peace. There's no rush, no anxiety, no overwhelm. You're calm, clear, and confident. Visualize yourself moving through your space, showering, dressing, sipping a warm drink. Your bag is packed thoughtfully, everything in its place. Your essentials, passport, wallet, itinerary are ready and waiting. You feel grounded, organized, and prepared. Nothing has been forgotten. What you need will arrive at the perfect time. Now, see yourself stepping out the door. You're greeted by the fresh air and a deep sense of trust. Trust in the day ahead, in your journey, in yourself. Your transportation arrives easily. Maybe it's a car, a train, or a ride from someone you love. The journey to the airport or station flows smoothly. The roads are clear. The air feels light. Everything aligns effortlessly. You arrive early, greeted by helpful people and kind faces. The line is short. Security is a breeze. Each step feels supported. You breathe deeply, knowing you're being gently guided by the universe. Now picture yourself waiting at the gate. You find a quiet corner. You sip water or tea. Maybe you journal, listen to calming music, or simply observe with soft eyes. You are fully present. There is no worry, only trust. Visualize boarding your flight or train. You find your seat with ease. You settle in and take a deep breath of gratitude. You feel cozy, calm, and spacious. The journey begins and everything unfolds smoothly. There's a gentle hum beneath you, a soothing rhythm. You relax fully. Reading, watching something, or simply resting. You feel protected and supported at every mile. Now shift your focus to your destination. Visualize it clearly, the streets, the sounds, the newness. Or maybe it's a place you've been before, filled with warmth and familiarity. You feel excited, grounded, and open. The moment you arrive, you're welcomed by the energy of opportunity, peace, and adventure. Now, Let's affirm this peaceful state with a few calming truths. Repeat silently in your mind or out loud, "Travel is safe for me." I allow peace and flow to guide every step of my journey. I trust the process, the timing, and myself. I am open to joy, adventure, and ease. Everything I need is already on its way to me. Take one more deep breath in and let it go with a soft sigh. Now gently bring your awareness back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, move your toes, roll your shoulders slowly. Feel yourself returning, refreshed and centered. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm, trusting energy with you as you move forward. You are ready. You are protected. You are supported. Safe and joyful travels.